Alright, Cody, want to see the easiest way to solve a Rubik's Cube? Here you go, Sned. Go around the table, buddy. Show him how you do it. Good boy. Good job, Sned. Look at that. Okay, pass it here. Alright, go long, Sned. Good boy. Bring it back, fit. Good job. Good job, buddy. Hey, Macho, you want a banana? Here you go. Hey, Macho, you want a banana? Here you go. What?
Hey, wow, can I get a photo?
Sure.
Cool. Say cheese.
Cheese! No, he's friendly. Buddy, it's not real cheese. It's just a saying. Oh, wow, that's fast. Okay, buddy, time to go home. Oh, good job, buddy. Good day's work. Come on. So it's Friday the 13th, and my buddy's really superstitious, so I'm gonna freak him out here. Hey, Nate.
Whoa, Zach, no, dude, not cool.
And I got a ladder. I'm under the
No,
ladder.
don't do that. I'm not
Nothing's
joking.
gonna happen.
Oh my gosh, Zach! Zach! I told you, man!
Thanks for watching, Michael. Here's his things. If you need anything else, let me know. Okay, Michael, be good. All right, Michael, here's a trick. Pick a card. You like this one. Just pick a fish, Michael. Okay. Ready?
Daddy, can I have a kitty?
Okay, ready, Michael?
Enjoy. Okay, Michael, I'm back. Time to go.
No, that's not checkmate, Michael. You can't do that. I'll show you. You can't. No. Hey! Hey, those are mine! Printing your pets. There's some clothes I don't put in the laundry just because, like this shirt. Oh, I want! Okay, so we just got a Pikachu. You gotta check this guy out.
Pikachu?
Oh my gosh, come on, Pikachu! Pikachu, talk. Hey,
Pika.
did you get that? Good job. High five. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make a puppy. Puppy. Ah, Doug, you can't go on a date like that, man. Oh, dude, that's so much better. She's gonna love that. If you kick a soccer ball just right, get a puppy. You want to do some online shopping? Hot dog. I'm just kidding. You're a hot dog! You're a hot dog!
Your eggs in the morning.
You make me wanna sing, rubber ducky. Get all your friends and get your sweet girl on. We gonna. That's not your cue. Does anyone else have chicklophobia? The irrational fear that when you crack an egg... You guys send me so much fan mail and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. It's awesome to hear from all of you around the world. But something really cool happens after I'm done reading it. Hey there. Tweet, tweet. This is Twitter in real life. Hey, buddy, go ahead and tweet. Just wrapping a pig in a blanket. Oink. If you save up enough money. My piggy bank! Come back with my money! Just bring it home the bacon. Good piggy. Where bunnies come from? Yeah. Bunny, hi! It worked.
Are you dressed and ready to go?
Yeah, I'm dressed. I've been ready.
You want to what? You ought to be a little more careful.
What are you doing? You cannot go like that.
Has anyone seen my drawing? It's a... You guys! Little mouse got stuck. Come here, buddy. Here, be free. Ah, look at you. Want to see some strange magic? Whoa! You take some water and a goldfish. That's awesome.